Hello everyone, it's my great pleasure to introduce this customer design vending machine, specially crafted for high-end customers with DA69S controller. This press brake is designed and built with excellence in mind, offering many unique advantages. Let me highlight 3 killing parts that make it stand out. The paint lasts for 20 years without chipping or fading. The appearance stays pristine for years, significantly extending the machine's service life. The throat is specially enlarged for better functionality. Whether working with thin or thick plates, it performs effortlessly. The baggage is solid and shock resistant, ensuring high precision even during high-speed operations. In summary, this press brake not only offers outstanding performance, but also pays great attention to the practical needs of our customers. Thank you for your attention, and feel free to contact us for more information. Bye bye.